How to connect i12 TWS to a Huawei P40 Lite phone using the manual pairing mode setup. So to do this, instead of using the auto pairing mode when you open up the case lid and they go into pairing mode and connect to your phone, what we're going to do is first take them out of the case and then force them into pairing mode. So usually in most cases they will enter pairing mode as you open up the case lid, but if that is not the case with yours, let's go ahead and remove them out of the case. So we'll just take them out like that. And we're not going to do anything with our phone yet. So as you take them out, you'll see that they may be blinking in blue and red. Okay, so right now the left side, I believe it is in the pairing state mode. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and press down on the touch controls for both of them and hold it down until they both flash in red like that. Okay, and that means they are currently off. And while they are in the off state, we're going to go ahead and press down on them again, both of them together, until you see the first pairing lights like this. And just quickly let them go once that happens. And you'll notice one side will remain in a pairing mode while the other side will stop blinking, which means one side has entered into the host earbud pairing mode. So once that has happened, we'll use our phone now and go into the Bluetooth settings. So the fastest way is using the drop down menu here, and you'll see the Bluetooth icon. Go ahead and long press it, and that will take you straight into the main Bluetooth settings. Turn it on. It's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see i12. You should see only one i12, which means you're doing this correctly. And if it's only one, tap on it. It will say pairing. You will get that pairing request. Just select pair. And then it will say connected. It will turn to blue. And basically you should be fully connected. And just pay attention to your i12s, and if there's none of them blinking in blue and red, it means they have fully connected and synced to each other and ready to use. So like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.